To begin, fold right sides together on one quilted section. Match the dots and pin to secure. Repeat on all remaining darts around the section. Remember to place your pins on the side that you will be sewing on that follows the bulk to the left rule. Depending on how you prefer to work, continue on to the next step or repeat pinning the darts on the second section. Sew from dot to dot on the dart, backstitching at the widest end and decreasing stitch length at the point. The last 2 to 3 stitches should be on the very edge of the fold, and you should leave long threads to be tied. Repeat, sewing the remaining darts in the same manner. At the point of each dart, tie the long threads 2 to 3 times to secure the stitches. Once the threads are tied, then trim to approximately 1/8 of an inch tail. Repeat the same steps on the second quilted fabric section. First, pinning all the darts, then sewing, then tying and trimming. Press the darts with an iron set to the cotton setting. Each dart should be pressed to one side, opening out the seam as much as possible. Trim the dart to approximately 1/4 inch. Trimming the darts reduces bulk and will help to smooth the round shape of the bowl.